today on today's agenda. Right, we're gonna try and do the last power up. Well, we're gonna try do the next power up, which is the invincibility. Now, I don't think he's online. SP, shout if you're online. He may be not online. But we have a contribution for the power-up sprite. So let me go find it. Oh, don't play me up now. I've just done a Windows update. There we go. Right, so here we go. This was a surprise. SP contacted me and said, how about this for the invincibility shield sprite? And I think it's pretty cool. It's an N on a shield. It looks like a Superman shield. So I think we should use this, to be honest. I think we should use this. But we need to make some changes, yeah? Because no, it's an N. It's an N. If I move that out of the way, and we'll make this bigger, and then we'll boost it, so you can see it. There you go. It's an N. So he's tried to make that the shield does that, rocks. So, looking at the sprites, yeah, bone would also be cool, but we may need to change it anyway. Because looking at the sprites, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've got twice as many sprites as the normal animation. So we're going to have to change the way the animation works for the power up. But also, 2 of them are the same, because that one and that one are the same. Yeah? So, we're going to have to change the way the animation works as well. Because I don't want to waste a sprite on two sprites at the same. So what we're going to do is we're going to have an array that runs through. So, depending on what frame it is, it picks it out. It says, right, I'm on sprite blah. Then next frame it says picks out the next one, which is that one, then that one, then that one. Then this would be picking out that one again. And then it would go that one, that one, that one, back to this. Then that, like that. So we're going to have an array. And so we're going to have to do it for every one. Yeah? So this was a timer of 3. And I think... Right, I think that's our timer rate. I think that's our timer rate in the game. So I don't know whether to speed it up as well, to put it to that. But it also means that it would speed up the bone and speed up the cookie as well. But we can play. So. Well, this is what I need to find out, because I'm about to load them into the main sprite file, to be honest. So let me just load up SpritePad again, and we'll load up the main sprite file. There we go. So there's the main sprite file. So we'll grab. So we're going to grab that one, that one, that one, that one. Oh, I've got to go select. Haven't I? I've got to go select. Oh, it's not. Oh, here we go. Right, let's copy those. Go to there. Paste. Oh no. Hi FaZe. I still struggle with this. Let's 7. There we go. Paste. There we go. 84. Right, let's see what it looks like. How can I? Oh, 7. No. 7. Oh, you can only have one animation, can't you? Or can I create another one? 8. Aha! Here we go. Right, so we're looking at 76 to 83. $83. Oh, it's got. Oh, come on. Right, go. Oh, I've got 2 of the sprites the same. Oh, you enter 83 first. Got 2 sprites the same.
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Who's followed? Who's followed? Hey John, welcome namesake. Say hello to our latest follower, guys. Oh. There we go, that's better. Welcome, John. Right, so we've got the animation wrong. If I recopy it, hang on, let's zap that lot. 77. Let's copy it again. Right. Oh, it's changed there as well, hasn't it? Undo. There we go. Let's grab that to there. Copy. Paste. Right. So that one is 76. 76 to 83. Go. Got 75. God, this is a pain. Go. Start. There we go. I suppose it doesn't look too bad with the yellow. What colours have we got in the multicolour range? What colours have we got in the multicolour range? So we've got grey and yellow. I suppose we could change. Nico's in yellow. And I suppose we could change to the second multicolour, couldn't we? Right, let's do a bit of tweaking. Let's do a bit of tweaking. So this, right, let's go back to the original. Let's have a look. So it's dark grey, light grey and yellow. So there's a light grey. So we should be able to put the dark grey on as the sprite colour, yeah? So that's dark grey, isn't it? So where's the sprite colour? Sprite colour. That's that one, isn't it? Right, dark grey. No? Oh, it's white, isn't it? It's white and yellow. Okay. Okay. Right, let's change them to do that. How's that looking? Ooh, that end one here. Don't need that one. All them two. Ooh, let's undo that. And undo that. What do you think? So the three colours we've got is white, yellow, and the sprite colour. I'm just wondering whether we should, if we need to change. Do you think that would work? Do you think that would work? I think that would work. Yeah, I think that would work. I'm just wondering now what we should do with the bones. Because if we're going to be using 8, yeah, potentially we could do it. Right, let's get this saved and exported, right? So the shield starts. Right, okay. Oh, it's still imported in the wrong order. It's still imported in the wrong order. That's better. That's better. It's now rocking properly now. So we don't need this one here. We don't need that one there because that's the same as that one. Yeah? That's the same as that one. Yeah. So we're going to get rid of that one there. So we're going to delete that one. There we go. So it looks like it's a little bit quicker, but it isn't, right? Right, so we'll save that and we'll export it. So our base for the shield is 76. Is our base. And our sequence is 76, 77, 78, 76, 77, 78. Is that the same as that? That is the same as that. that, and it comes back. Yeah, so we can get rid of that one as well. So 76, 77, 78, 77, 76, and then we go the other way. So, well, in fact, let's do this the other way round. Start at the extremes. Here we go. So we start there. So that's what? 78, 77, 76, which is this one. And then we'll go, so we're going from there, 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 now there. So that's going to be 79. $80. $81. And then come back down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 81, 80, 76. So that, right, so this is what should happen now. So we're going to start here, yeah? We're going to start there. 78, 77, 76, 79, 80, 81. Ooh, they're the wrong way around. Are they the same? Oh, they are. Right, we'll get rid of that one as well. So let's do this again. Start there. 78, 77, 76, 76, 79, 80, 79, 76. Ooh, I'm not too sure that sequence is going to work. We need to start from the bottom. We need to end on the same thing. Right, so we'll start there. 76, 77, 78, 77, 76, 79, 80, 79. Right, that should be it, because then it'd be 76. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, we got it, we got it. So, this is it. So, please tell me, USA, how fast. No, Saucy, no. We need to start off at the bottom. So what are we going to do is do 76, 77, 78, 77, 76, 79, 80, 79. Right? That's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it'll go like this. 76, 77, 78, 77, 76, 79, 80, 79, 76, and that's the cycle. That would be the cycle, yeah? Right, let's get this exported. Let's get this exported. Right, so we need an array. We need an array now. So we'll put it here. So invincibility shield set. Invincibility shield sprite set. That'll do. Right, so we're going to do 76, 77, 78, 77, 76, 79, 80, 79. So we need to do the other ones as well. So now we need to do the other ones. So basically, that's going to be that, twice over. So 68 twice over. So the bone is flight, bone, sprite set. Oh. Invincible. Is that? Oh, I don't care. I don't care. Invinci. It's right now. Okay. Right. So the bone is gonna be starting at 64. Oh, 68, 69, 70, 71 repeated. Right, 68, 69, 70, 71 repeated. Right, that's the bone, and so the cookie. So the cookie is gonna be 72 to 75 repeated. Right. Yes, it's my trademark. Exactly, GaryMeg. If you keep the spelling mistakes in, you know if someone's nicked your code. Right, so we've got 3 sets. We've now got 3 sets. So we need to change the way we do the animation. So I can't remember where we put the animation. Oh, God, it's warm in here. There are others, so it's still TM. Tash the Minion. That's her trademark, that is. Right. It must be in here. Let's have a look. Animate power. No? Have we got animation in there? Oh, I wonder if we put it in with the Nico animation. Did we put it in there? Oh, look at that. No, that's putting the cone on, isn't it? Right. So there's only one animate. Where did we put the animation? Can anyone remember? Must be new tools then. Let's have a look. Move power up. Now that might be There we go. There's the animation. Nico frame counter. Ooh, right. So we need to change Nico frame counter. Ah. Right. Nico frame counter. I don't fancy having to have another frame counter. So we'll use Nico's frame counter. So we're in Animate Nico. We are here. Right. So what we're going to do is we're going to say 7. So we're going to boost it from 3 to 7. That's here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do it. So load the frame counter and it with. Oh, he's doing it there anyway. Okay. Oh, right, okay. So we can use Nico's frame counter. And we're going to do it here. So this brings it back down to. Oh no. Yes. That's it. John, it was nice of you to follow, but if you carry on, mate, you're going to get banned. Alright? One and only warning. Carry on, you'll get banned. Right, so this is... So we're using the Nico frame counter to count up to 8, but when we're actually doing Nico's here, we're ending it with 3. So let's just make sure we're not using it anywhere else. Where are we using it anywhere else? Yeah, I think we're going to be all right. Right, so we'll use the Nico frame counter. So we're in here. So instead, because this is now going to be between 0, this is now should be between 0 and 8, or 0 and 7. So, oh, thank you, Stuart. Welcome to the stream, mate. So, now we've got our storage, we can use the frame counter to loop through these bytes, yeah? So, what we can do is we're loading the frame counter. Now, that's the thing, isn't it? That is the thing. Right. We need to change this. Right, so our default frame set will be, where's our constants, game constants? Game constants. Oh, I've lost it again. So our default, so we need to put the default in. Right, here we go. So rocking shield is base pointer, I before E except after. Base pointer plus 76. Right? So that's what we're going to use. Right, that's our base pointer. Yeah. So we're going to use the base pointer for everything else. So we have to then, I've done a slight, so we have to then say, right, 76, 1, 2, 1, 0, 76, 77, 78, 3, 4, 3. Same with this one. So this is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Zero. Oh, in fact, we can just copy that, can't we? Because it's the offset. Right. So what we're going to do is we load the Nico frame in. So we're not using X, so we can do that. So we can load X, which is the Nico frame between 0 and 7. Then we can load. Now this is where it gets tricky because we need to identify the set. Ooh. Right, here we go. Self-modding code, bring on. Self-modding code, here we go. Right. So this is move, power up, dot. What have I called it? Power up animation lookup. Right. I think that's the first, and I think that's the first self-modding code we've put in this. So we're going to look up whichever one it is. Clear. Then we're going to add the base, which we already know, and then set the sprite, and that will do the animation. Okay, what have I typed wrong? Oh, forget it, I don't care. We don't need to store the run number because that's in the Nico frame. That's in the Nico frame. The Nico frame is actually our lookup. Yeah. Right. So we need to find all the places where we set that up. So let's put that in there. Let's get rid of the replace. So that's the power up detector. That's fine. Here we go. So this is the rotation. This is the bone rotation. So LDA. Oh, come on, John. Store it in, it was utils, wasn't it? Utils dot move power ups dot here we go. There. So that's the low. Oh, we're actually in the same one, so we don't need that, do we? Oh, maybe we do. Oh, it's missing a dot. So that sets our lookup. Right, so where's the next one? That is there. That's the bone rotation. So, so this is rotating bone. What was the previous one then? Oh, cookie. Cookie. Right, so that one is the rotating bone. That's us adding. Right. Okay. Let's see if we've broken it. Oh, rats. We've just gone over, haven't we? Gone over by one sprite by the looks of it. Rats. Right, okay, we've gone over. We've run out of space. Run out of space. Right, we've run out of space. Would you believe it? So that's 75 characters. Okay. That's 75 characters for the wood. So what's next? That's the hood. Where's the hood characters? And how many we got there? 72. That's 140. Yeah, we need to. I think this HUD characters we can bring up because the floor is only 72. Did I say it was 72? Yeah, 75. So, oh, that's still a oh dear. Oh. But I suppose we could bring. Whoops. I suppose we could bring the sprites back a bit because we got the HUD there. So let's go to the HUD because we're not going to boost the sprites on the HUD. So we're talking, what's that? 72. times 8. 2400. So if I add that to plus 2400, that gives us 2640. We could bring this back. We could bring this back. So if it's 2640, we could bring this back to 2680. All right. 2680 divided by 40 equals 9A. 100. Is that right? 152. 154, that would be the base sprite. 154, what we got down as the base sprite? Oh, it's fit. It's fit. Gain constants. Gain constants. What have we got as the base sprite? Right, let's do that and let's do 2680 divided by 40. Let's change it to that. So that's what we've put it at, 2680. Right, it seems to want to do it now. Let's turn that music off for a kickoff. I've lost everything. Where's everybody gone? Ah, there we go. Right, so we must be out by 1. We must be out by 1. on this. Oh, it's flashing, isn't it? No, it's not flashing, is it? It's definitely not flashing. Let's find out what's going on. See if we understand what the problem is. Oh, it's swapping. That's what's happening. It's swapping over. Right. Let's sort Nico out. Let's sort Nico out. Let's sort his animation out. Right, more than likely it's counting up to 8 and that's why it's swapping. Because we've made it do, so we're storing it there. We're transferring it into X, we're bringing it back, and then we're adding it with 3. Adding 8. Okay. Here we, right, okay. Nico jumping. We haven't even done jumping yet. So that's the initialization. Nico in flight. Let's run it again. I think it's counting up to 8. I think it's counting up to 8. So watch the pointer. Right. 9E to, oh right, 9E to A5. That's definitely 8, isn't it? 9E to A5. And this is 4 behind. So it's definitely counting 8. So we've definitely thrown a curveball. We'll get it sorted. Right. So the frame counter. So it's the Nico frame counter. Load Nico frame counter, and it with 8, store it. Transfer into X, transfer, that brings it back down to 0 to 3. Add the animation base. Add 4. Right, okay, we're going to need to stick a thingy in there, aren't we? Stick a breakpoint in there. Let's see what's going on. Right, here we go. So, increase load, it's at 1, and it was 7, store it back. Transfer it in X. X back into A. Add 9B. That's the base. Store it. Where's that stored it? Because none of those have changed. (9F). Right, next frame. 2, next frame. 3, next frame. Here we go. So it loads 4, ends it with 7, store it away. Transfer it to X. Oh, I think I see the problem. Now it's adding again. It's missed this bit here. Right. I think I know what the problem is. I think I know what the problem. Hey Raiders, hey Proton, welcome. Welcome mate. Glad you could drop in. Glad you could drop in. Oh, that's gonna be problematic, isn't it? That's going to be problematic. Okay. I should do it. Right, Nico's back. Nico's back. He's back to how he was. Right, so we just got to sort out the power-ups now. Hey mate, I'm doing fine. How about you? You doing alright? We're just trying to add a new power-up in, but we've screwed up the other ones first. So we're just trying to put that back. We're trying to get that back. Right, so we're now in the... moving up the power-ups. Right, so... So we store that in the power up animation. And then we store the lookup. So we're doing the cookie rotation. Oh. It helps to have it done right. Cool, silly mistakes like that. Was there another one, or was that it? Look at that. Stupid mistake. Right, okay, now let's add the invincibility power up. Get in there. Now we're going to add the invincibility power up. Right, so we want utils and insert. doing a C64 demo for Zoo. Then you're doing an Amiga demo. Yeah, I saw you was doing the music. Can we make the bone rotate the other way? Let's have a look. Can we? Yeah, I suppose so. Just make it do it that way. So what's that? Would that? So it's 0, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's do that. Three, 2, 1, 0. 3, 2, 1. Right, let's see if the bone goes the right way this time. Come on. There we go. Bone's going the right way this time. Right, let's see if we can get the power up in now. You're welcome, mate. Was your OCD going bonkers? And we've just got a tiny bit more space for sprite, so I might be able to fit me in. Me as a sprite. Right. I'm trying to put my OCD at the back because I want to sort the raster lines out, but I know we're still messing about. Right. So, what we're going to do is we are going to test for flight. So here we go, test for invincibility. This is here. So we're going to copy this little lot. So let's copy this little lot. And put it there. And this one is test, it's not test, it's exit. Right, so we do another random number and then we have to test for the invincibility. That's the one there. Invincibility. Now we said that it's not white, it was light grey, wasn't it? Light grey. And then we put in the base. The base sprite. So that's the base sprite. Ooh. Keep it consistent, John. Keep it consistent. Yep, that'll do. Yeah. Put the base sprite, put it in the power up animation, and then set the array. Put Nico on the floor. Activate the power up. But is that activating the power up? Oh, this is putting the sprite. This is putting the sprite on the screen, isn't it? Right. Okay. Let's see if we get anything. Let's see if we get one. So we're looking for the rocking shield. This is where we might have to tweak with the levels. Oh, we're not seeing an invincibility yet, are we? Oh, quite. Oh, right, okay. So, the question. I'm just wondering if we need to change the way this works. The question is, do we make the power up right? We make the cookie one the most common one, but the bone and the invincibility. Should we just make that a 50-50 split? That if it goes into the other selecting a power up, there's only 2 power ups, so it chooses 50-50. Or do we make the invincibility one really rare, really, really rare, because at the moment we haven't seen it yet? Yeah. Yeah. Well, there's the bone. Another bone. Ooh. Oh, come on. I've made it. It should be coming up more often. Right. Let's ignore. Let's ignore this. We're gonna say it does this if it's not a bone. There we go.
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Who's oh dear, that's a name and a half, isn't it? Say hello to Show. It's still not coming up with the invincibility, is it? Nico, get out! Oi! Out! Out! Come on! Out! Oi! Out! Come on! Not meant to be under there. Oh, did I miss any? It's just bones, isn't it? It's just putting bones on. Right, that should be a 50-50 split. Either bone or shield. Oh, come on, give us a shield. Right, I'm going to drop it down even further. Right, this should give us more invincibility than bones. Right. Still only dishing out bones. Right, let's have a look at the code. Maybe I have not got it right. Right then, so number. Is it a power up? Yes it is. Right, go to continue. Generate another number. Is it greater than? Yes it is. Then go to flight. Generate another number. Is it greater than cookie? Oh, hang on. Whoa. Hang on. That doesn't help, does it? That didn't help, did it? Right, so 50-50 split. 50-50 split. When it goes into the bone, it's going to be 50-50. Bone or shield. Anytime. Well, there's a bone. Go on, give us a shield. Bone again. Give us a shield. Come on. Did it? Did it give us 2? Well, we'll check that. Check that. Oh, we're still not seeing these shields, are we? Oh, there's one! And it's the wrong colour. And I missed it. Right. Yeah, we all missed it. Right, let's make it more shields than bones, yeah? But it was the wrong colour. We're missing a colour. So every time a bone came up, we should have a better chance of getting a shield. There we go, there we go, there we go. Now, it had yellow trim. Should we stick with yellow trim or should we go with a different colour? What do you think? Because at the moment it's dark grey. I've got the wrong colour. But it certainly rocks, doesn't it? It's certainly rocking. Look at that. Right, let's make it yellow. Let's get it right and make it yellow. Right then. Don't blink or you'll miss it. Oh. Right, okay. So it's the middle bit. It's the middle bit. So with yellow, we need something a bit more prominent because it's the middle bit. Oh, did I get it wrong? Did I get it wrong? Right, so it's the middle bit. So should we try red? That'll stick out, wouldn't it? What do you think? Red not good enough? Should we try cyan or something? I'm not sure. What do you think, guys? Red? I don't think... I'm not sure about red. What other colour could we go to then? Because that's red. Purple? Green? Or should we go in the bottom colours? Let's say light green. Try green. Okay. I think light green. If you want to make it stand out, but I'm not too sure if it's going to interfere with the N, the white N. I'm not sure if we lose the white N with the very light colour, because we're going to be using this sort of colour, aren't we? So I got a sneaky suspicion. Oh, it's warm in here. I got a sneaky suspicion that it's we're going to drought. Yeah, and it's merging with the grass as well, isn't it? Right. Let's put it back. Let's try green. Come on, let's have a good colour. Yeah, I'm thinking the same about trying purple. Green wasn't floating my boat. Dude, what do you want? Where are you? Oh. Is it a bit warm, buddy? It is a bit warm up here. Go and lie down in the ice pack. Go on, mate. Lie down on your ice pack. I don't know. Can you hear him dragging his feet? Lie down on your ice pack, mate. No! Whoa, 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 whoa! Dude! Get out! Yeah, he's just done it up here as well. I'll be back in a minute, guys. Just got to clean up the mess now. I won't be long. I'm back. There's something wrong, something going on. He's just literally walks in here, as you heard, because I was saying, go on your mat, and then squats. So stinks up here now. Oh well. I don't know what's going on, because I've noticed he's been dragging his hindquarter. So I'm just wondering whatever's up. I wonder whatever's going on up here is now starting to manifest in other things as well. Well, Mrs. OSK said that he didn't go and do his normal. So I don't know what's going on with him. We've been blaming Aston. He's the old one. He's the old one. But yeah, it's cleaned up as best as I can do it, but it stinks up here now. Anyway, sorry about that. Right, where were we? What was we doing? Oh, colour. Did the purple one work? I don't know. I don't know. Did the purple one work? Let's have a look. Luckily, I've bought some dog nappies, so dog pants, or whatever you want to call them. We may have to put them on him. Purple might be the one. Purple might be the one, eh? Purple might be the one. Right, should we go with purple? Right, let's put the code in that detects it. Yeah. I mean, I think purple's probably the better bet. I mean, that's a bit too pink. We don't want to do those colours. That'll probably be too light. So yeah, purple's probably the better bet. Let's see. Can I change that colour to be purple? There we go. Purple. 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 Yeah, no, I'm not going to do brown. Not going to do brown. Right. So let's get the detection system in place. Right, so where's the detection? The detection is in logic, isn't it? Here. So, where did we do the detection? Right, that's where we insert the power up. Nico, power up detection, so it's in there. Here we go. So we test for rotating cookie. If it's not, then we go to flight. On flight, we test for rotating bone, and then we go to exits. So we're going. We'll copy all this. We'll copy all this. Now there's an opportunity here. There is an opportunity here. Right, it's an opportunity here because we can... yeah, mate. If we've got time, we're going to be tweaking certain things. If we've got time. Right. So if it's rotating shield, we turn everything off. Put him on the floor just in case he's jumped on it. Put him back into running mode, and then we're going to activate in... I saw it up here. Activate invincibility. Now here we can make that into another routine, which we'll do. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab all this lot. And then we'll put that in here. That might not work. Now it should. Yeah. So we've got a routine here. So we can jump straight to this. So it increases, it does the thing, it does everything else. Right, so jump to add bonus. So here, jump to add bonus. And then we can get rid of that. Right, and we will do, and we've got it here as well. So we'll do the same here. Jump to add bonus. So when they get a shield, they have it's classed as a bonus, so we'll add it onto the thing as well. Right, so test for invincibility. We activate it and we fire it off. Right, that should work because the invincibility logic's already in place. So it's just a case, does it do it? Does the power up fire up? Does it go down? Does he have his cone on? Come on. Yay, he does. Look at that. Well, hey. And it's gone. Here comes the next one. And the cone's on. Right, let's test this out, shall we? Let's turn on collisions. And let's test this out. So I'm going to jump everything until I get the power up. Here we go. So I should be able to walk through. Now we should die. Oh, not die, get dazed. There we go. There we go. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. And we got 2 power-ups as well. We got 2 bonuses. Oh, just past it. Oh, we've got a problem with the... Right, we have a problem with the... We have a problem with the flight mode. The animation in flight mode. Yeah. That's the arc. Here we go with the... So now he's in flight. It's right, the cape's sprite 0 here. This is what we're looking for. Right, so let's go a bit further up. Where's animation of Nico? Here we go. Right. Here we are. Here we are. That's the one. That's the fella. Oops. Right then, let's try this again. Up we go. We need flight. Oh, what am I doing? I can give him flight. There we go. I love the fact that it can run through. It can run through with his cone on. He's invincible when he's got his cone on his head. Oh, I thought I could have got over it, but I didn't. Now, I thought the bone didn't work there. You have to look at the bone animation because I think it had a glitch. Since shields give bonus 2, then having something like a 20 Yeah. Yeah, I spotted that as well. I don't know why. Let's up the ratio. Let's try that. I noticed that the cookies were glitching as well. When the jump, watch. Oh, it didn't then. Okay. It's glitching when I jump, isn't it? Yeah, it glitches when you jump. Just for a fraction. Oh, I didn't think I'd get that. Oh, this abort system is brilliant. The abort system is brilliant. Oh, I'm not going to get that shield. Oh, I could have just ran into it. I could have just ran into it. Alright, TwitchIgor. Night, buddy. We'll see you later, yeah? We're not having many shields, are we? Oh, it's speeded up. Oh dear. How rubbish am I? There we go. Got a shield. Excellent. Right then. All right, stack bats. We'll see you later on, yeah. Right. So we've got the invincibility power up going. So next thing. Yeah, I don't know why though, because the jump mechanism is nowhere near it. Now, let's see. It's sprite 0 plus 0, 1, 2, 3. There's only one place where we set, and that's here. It's one place that we set, so I don't know why it would interfere with it. We'll have to look at it when we get time. I mean, it's not affecting the gameplay, but there is a definite snap, isn't there? But that's the only place that we're setting that. Anyway, right. So yeah, it's well, we'll try and we'll try and figure out what it is when we've got time, because at the moment it's not affecting the game. Yeah, pin it for later, because we've got a number of things. So let's start putting a list together. So let's put it here. So we have that. We've got to stabilize the raster splitters. What else? Oh yeah, game over system. What else? Oh yeah, title screen. Difficulty choices. Blah, 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 blah. What else? Oh yeah, add OSK chasing. So we'll need a couple of sprites for that, hopefully. What else? Oh yeah, parallaxing clouds. Yes. Yes. Right. So let's look at this title screen. Now, I don't know if he's on. Is he on? FaiRLane? You on? Oh yes, you are. There you are. There he is. Right. So we've had some contributions from Monsignor FaiRLane. And he has done several different. Now, I'll just say this, FaiRLane. The PRG I couldn't download. Outlook wouldn't let me download it, so I couldn't grab it. Alright? So you might have to rename it to something inconspicuous and send it me again. I could try again. But is it 44 gigabytes of junk? Wow. Well, I'll sort that out. Right, so let's fire up this piece of software. And I think it was that one I put it in. Was it that one? No, can't have been. Oh, it was. It's just that it's having a bit of a fit. Oh, okay. Tar. Right. let's get this in here. So we've got 2 screens so far. Well, we've actually got 5, 6. So here we go. Startup screen number 1. So title screen number 1. So remember, you're going to be voting on this using just standard Pepsi graphics. We got Nico's run. So that's number 1. Then we've got number 2. Using Pepsi graphics, Nico's run. Very clever, mate. Very clever. I'll give you that. It's very clever. So Nico's run number 2. Then we have Nico's run number 3. Now, number 4 is what I said to FaiRLane. I couldn't get it to download because it's PRG. But I assume the text file. I assume the bin is the same as the PRG, and I presume that the text file is the equivalent. Right, so the bin you said was in Koala, yeah? And that's what the PRG was for. By the way, have you sent me again but renamed it, the extension, to be something different, like TXT or something that I can rename back? Let me know if you've sent it me, yeah?
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Who's just followed? Make yourself known. The Bowman. Welcome. Welcome to the stream. Say hello to our new follower from Vietnam. Wow. Wow. From Vietnam. I don't think I've got anybody watching me from that part of the world. Welcome. God, it must be early morning for you guys. Oh, 400. And you're watching Twitch on 0400. You work in the US? Yes. My team's in the US. I'm in good old Blighty, and my team's in the US. Well, 2 of my teams in the US. The other one's in Sunderland. Just watching the Theo ping. Right. Ice. Hey, Grey Defender, welcome. I didn't notice you. Have you been lurking? Yes, we are developing in 6502 assembly, but using VS Code as our editor. That's what we are doing, and we are doing a game jam. We are doing a game jam that's been organised by FaZe, Prince FaZe 101. I don't know if he's on. Are you on, FaZe? If you are, give us a shout. And basically the game jam is to take the Trex runner game, that's that Chrome Easter egg, and to retrofy it into an 8-bit retro or 16-bit retro machine. Right, okay, let me have a look. Oh, there it is. Right, will it allow me to download it? Yes, it will. Get in there. Right. Let me just grab it. And then I'll stick it with the rest of the stuff. Right then, grabbed it. So we'll fire this up, and then we'll reset, and we'll see what this picture is. Is that the same as the Charpad one? Nice. So, guys, what do you think? Which one should we go for? So we've got the two that was in CBM. So we've got this one, this one, and then we've got the Charpad one, which is this one. Or we...
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Ho! Say hello, who's just followed? Say hello, who's just followed? Hello, Fizzog 6502. Hello, guys. Welcome our latest follower, number 3. Yeah, I mean, this one is nice. The problem is it takes so much memory up, and we are struggling for memory at the moment. Well, I'll rephrase that. We're struggling for... Yeah. But this, we can do this. This we can do. This one we can do. Because this one is just a map. We're gonna have to do we've got a lot of things going on. A lot of things. I mean, we could stick it in. There, but that's yeah. Could stick it in there. But it's the scroller and stuff, and also I've got other things that I want to put in. I don't want to. Even though I like it, don't get me wrong, I like it. I think that's really cool. I do. I like that, but I think we need to be a little bit realistic. Yeah, there's some compression going on, yeah. So, I mean, if we've got space, we'll do this, yeah? If we've got, when we've finished, we've got space. We have the code to do this because we did it in Maze, if you remember. Let me go back to Maze. Because Stack Bats did one, didn't they? In Maze. So if I open Maze up. So if you remember, oh, run it a bit too early again. Come on, there we go. See, Stack Bats did that for us, yeah? So we have the code to be able to take that and make it into a screen. Alright? So we've got the code, so if we've got the space and the time left, we could implement this one, yeah? But I think for the moment we could do this one. The only thing that I've got at the moment, yeah, we could well, we got a picture of Nico with his collar on somewhere. Hang on. I put it in Discord, didn't I? Yeah, I put it in Discord. But there is a problem. There is a problem with this because we have. Let me fire another char pad up. All right. Okay. We'll have to have a look at that if we've got time, yeah? Because the whole point of this is just to see if we can do this game jam. So this is the title screen, yeah? So this is the title screen. And it's got the same Nico's run, but with the character set. So what I was thinking was taking this, right? Doing this and then swapping this map and the char set with this one that we've got. So we're going to have to do a bit of tweaking. Yeah. So I'm going to put that over there because I want to keep that there. So we're going to do this. So this is the startup. So we're going to save the map and let's see. I'm just wondering whether to do this in RLE. Because there's a lot of space there, isn't there? Because if we do this, that's going to take a K of memory, isn't it? So I'm just wondering if we should RLE it. We've got the code for the RLE decoder because we've got that in Myriad, so we can nick that. Yeah, I think we should be able to. I think we should be able to RLE it. Well, to be honest, we don't need to. We could do what we did with Nico's. Ooh, I've just had a thought. No worries, no worries. Yeah, that great defense. You've just said what I've been toying with. Yeah, we only need to store this. Well, in fact, we've already got this. We've already got this. So we only need to store this. That's all we need to do. Fizzog said it first, did he? So he did. So he did. Sorry, mate. I did not see that there. I did not see that there. Right. So we've already got Nico's run as a map, but we're going to have to redo it if we're going to have that character set in it, yeah? So that's what we're going to do. So first things first, we are going to save this as. Save this as, and we're going to call this NR title, yeah? And now we should scroll left. Okay, come on then, scroll left. Here we go. Here we go. Right, scroll up. Keep scrolling up. Scroll left. Right, so what's do we have a character selector point? 18 3. Right, 18 by 3. Ooh, undo. $18 by 4. 19. Undo. Right, what was the original one? That was 20 by 4. And we're doing 19 by 4. Oh, I see. You reduced that there. I see. I see. I think if we do that, I should be able to copy that across one, shouldn't I? Cut. Paste. Oh, undo. Cut. Paste. There we go. Now I know why you made it 1, but we can tweak that. We can tweak that. Right, let's save that. And then we'll load back in the original one. I know why you made it 1 column because of here, but what we can do is we can add a space in any one of these, yeah? So, let's do, save this as NR OSK and crew. Right, let's get this up here. So where are we? There. So that's there. So that's 22 2. Okay. Right. Save that. Right, so we've got some maps now. So we'll just do a quick export on that, and we'll load the other one in. Title, where's title? There it is. Right, so we'll use the character set for title. Right, we'll use the character set for title. So let's change that. So get rid of that. So NR title chars. Right, save that, and we will change the map to be NR title. Right, so save. Right, let's just see if we haven't broken it, yeah? So we should still have our Nico's run, and there it is. Right, so we haven't broken it, alright? So we've still got the title here. So now it's just a case of writing the code to display the title. So screen, where's screen? So we've got display title somewhere. That's the HUD. Display health. Show display timer. Lives. Reset display title. This is what we need. Right, display. Startup screen. So we're going to show Nico's run title. So let me load it back up so we know roughly where we want it, yeah? So we are starting there, which is row 8. So it's going to be row 8, character 9. For OSK. And then for Nico's run, we'll stick it there for the moment, which is row 12, char character 10. So we'll start there. We'll start at that. Yeah. So screen RAM, so we're talking row 12, 10, 12, nope, that's 13, 14, 15. Right, that puts the title on, and then we need OSK then. So we'll grab that. And we will put it in front so it's in sequence, yeah? So this is now showing OSK and crew. So in here we need to import the map. So we'll put it there. We'll put it there. And so this is going to be OSK and crew map. Dash map dash 22 by 3. Okay. So this is going to be at row 9. No, row 8. 9, 10. It's only 3, isn't it? Yeah, it's only 3. And we are starting at 9. So we can take that one out. So, whoops. 8, 9, 10. And this is 22. So 22, 44. Right. So we need to create our logic for the startup screen. So let's create the logic for the startup screen. What did I call it? Oh. Right, so now we need to set the character set, which is this. Yeah. First things first, let's JSR screen dot clear. Change the character set, and then we'll do JSR screen dot startup, display startup screen, and then we'll just jump to it ourselves. Yeah. Right, where's the startup? It's that one there. We're going to be using that one. So it's 2. Because we're going to make the startup screen be the difficulty choice. Chooser. So that's 2. So 2. Choose difficulty. Oh, I already got it. Where is it? Choose difficulty. Oh, there it is. Right. Don't need this. Get rid of that. Don't need that. Forward thinking me's already done it. Right, stick it in there. Right, so when the game initializes, initialize game, we need to then send it to not that. We need to send it to that. Right. Fingers crossed, everybody. Ooh, ooh. So close. Now I think I know why that's doing that. Yep. Can you see my deliberate mistake? Anybody? Anybody see the deliberate mistake? Right, here we go. Can I share the program FaiRLane provided? FaiRLane's on the hang on, Proton, I'll send it via Discord to you. Yeah? I think I've got you. Yeah, there you are. Hang on, mate, I'll send it over via this. Is the aircon being on?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Should be nice and chilled in there, yeah?
Yeah, it is. I've just let them out, so you should be good now till the end of the stream.
Okay.
Good night.
Night, night. Oh, I've lost it. I can't see for looking. Oh, there it is. There it is. Got it. There you go, mate. There you go. Right, so we've got a slight problem here, is that our clear screen is not clear screening. We need to use a different character. Right. So, how are we going to do that? How are we going to do that? Let's look at the clear screen routine. Oh, it's looking at character naught, and I don't think character naught was free, was it? No. How are we gonna do that? How are we gonna do that? I know. I know. I know. Where's the clear screen? I mean, it's not in there, is it? It's in here. Right. So we want character. We want character 128. That's what we want. We want character 128. So that's what we're going to do. So, where are you? Where are you? There we go. So, LDA hash 128 clear screen plus 2. Now that should do it. Get in there. Get in there. Bit of hacking. Get in there. What do you guys think? Let's set the background.
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Who's just followed? Oh, hello. Welcome. How do you say that name? Welcome our new follower. Oh, Wild West Storm. I didn't see you there. Oh, sorry, mate. It's 6502 for the C64. Sorry. First time seeing a JSR with an offset. Yeah, it's a good way of hacking. That's why I swapped the instructions around so I could do it. Right, this should be all black now. Oh, maybe not that anyway. There we go. Right. Right. 6502 assembly. I heard it was simpler than other architectures. Well, once you learn one assembly language, it's not too far elite to learn the others. Because I went from 6502 to x86 in my career. So it's not much, because the instructions are very similar. You know, you've got jump if carry set, jump if clear, branch if not equal to 0, equal to 0. There's all that. Different, not sure if I would go with simpler. Yeah, it is different. Because x86 has instructions like jump if 0, jump if not 0, as well as the branches, which can get a bit confusing. And also they've got near procs and far procs and all that. Right, so we have a title now. What I want to do is I want to make. Let's get this so it does it properly. Yeah. So we've got it so it just stops. So we're going to. What I want to do here is I want to have a looper. Yeah. So I want to have a looper. So let's do looper where we load. Where we load that. Where we load that, and then we compare it with something that we're not using. Something that we're not using. That'll do nicely. Compare it with that. Branch if not equal to looper. But while it's doing that, where is it? Where is it? Here we go. Our rolling seed. Get in there, John. I knew I'd get it in there somewhere. Right then, so once we hit the enter key, we tell it to start the game. Don't need that. Tell it to start the game, and away we go. Now, because now it's got our interaction, we should not get the same sequence coming out of the random number generator now. Right, so let's see if it does it. Right, so it's waiting for us to hit the key. Oh, right. We need to we need to clear the screen. We need to clear the screen. We need to clear the screen. Right. So let's do that. So let's. Oh, the character's different, isn't it? On the floor. Character's different on the floor. Let's load the floor in. It's character 0, so clear screen is just fine. So we'll change the state. We'll change the state, but we'll just clear the screen. Right, here we go. Press enter, and away we go. Oh, I can't remember if we turned off collisions. I'm not going for that one. Oh, we got a shield. Got a shield straight away. And there's nothing. It's going to run out before I get to the tree. Oh, I missed that one as well. Oh no. Oh, that was close getting that one. Flight. Right, I want that. Here we go. Here we go. We're doing well. We're doing well. The power-ups are not as frequent now, are they? As long as the cookies are coming, that's all that matters. Oh, and I jumped too early. Poor Nico, got dazed. Well, we'll have you. Here we go. Let's run through some... Oh, you're not going to make that, are you? No. Right. So... We've got our start screen now. Now, what I want to do is I want to do the similar sort of thing that we did for Maze. Yeah. So let me load Maze back up. Right. So I want to do something similar to what we did in Maze. Has it fired up yet? There we go. Right, so where we had our selector, yeah, where we went easy, medium or hard and stuff like that. When you do the clear screen, can you fill in the bottom line of the ground so it doesn't have blank space? Yeah, I suppose we can do that. But we won't do it on the clear screen. We'll create a routine specifically to do it, yeah. But this is what I want to do. I want to have a difficulty selector, yeah. At the game start, yeah. So when we've got that game screen underneath it, we have a difficulty selector. So easy, medium, hard. Oh my god, you know, or don't hurt me or something. And then the difficulty will set the start insertion percentage and set the speed. So if we default the start insert, because at the moment the start insertion percentage is 16%, so if it's less than 16% on the random number, it'll insert a tree. Anything more than that, and it won't. But what I was thinking was, if we make it say medium, we could say, right, if we start at 32% or 64% on hard, and we have corresponding speeds to make it hard, and then we could have a wimp mode, which is don't hurt me, I'm a wimp, and then we could have an oh my god mode where it's just insane. Oh, we could call it insane, I suppose. Insane mode. So we could have a wimp, easy, medium, hard, insane. Use the shield as a pointer to select. Yes, nice idea. Nice idea. Better make a note of that. So yeah, so that's my plan, right? So then we, depending on the difficulty, we set the base percentage insertion. We then, and also we set the start speed, because everything will just go bigger than that. So that's what I want to do, and so let's do the ground first. Let's do the ground. So we want screen. Where's clear screen? Clear. Go to clear. Right. So if we we'll create another one here where it says display floor for start. There we go. That'll do it. So our floor is on 1819. Is our floor on 1819? And what character we're going to use for the floor? Yeah, it must be 18 and... No, hang on. Is it 18 or 1819? I don't know. So I think we should use... that character there. So character 42. And what's the one below it? Character 43, according to this. Yeah, 42 and 43. So, so we're just gonna nick this, and we are going to (42), and we are going to store it in. No. I think it's 17. I think it's 17. And then the colour RAM. Oh, what's the colour? So that one's green. So the bottom one's... No, that can't be right. Aha! That is red. And the one above it... Really? You're saying that's white? Really? Well, I never. Okay. Nice to know. Right, so the bottom one is red and the top one is white, apparently. So then we do CPY hash 40 branch if not equal to looper. So we'll put this in the logic. Yes, mate. We could have done it the other way. Could have done it the other way. I don't think it... It'd only save us 2 bytes. Let's just see if it does it. Yeah, it only saves 2 bytes. If we were struggling for bytes, then we'd be doing them sort of things. Right, here we go. Ooh. Ooh. Now, why is that not working? Because it needs to be multicolour mode, doesn't it? It needs to be a multicolour. So that means white would be +8, isn't it? White +8 to put it into multicolour mode. Alright, let's try that again. Oh yeah, white is... Oh, it's... The second one as well is in multicolour mode. There you go. There we go. $729 bytes. God damn. 729 bytes. Wow. You know, the thing that's now really annoying me is not having that green bit there and that green bit there. That's annoying me. That is annoying me. But we'll do that. We'll do that later. Right. So back to here. So if we use this as our template, so we could put the text underneath it as well, couldn't we? So let's do save as. NR difficulty choice. So right, so we're gonna have let's put the words on first. Let's put the words on. So we're gonna have WIMP mode. Oh, why isn't that? Oh, I need to do that, don't I? W. WIMP. WIMP. Then we're going to have easy, aren't we? EASY. Oops, EDI hard and then in sane. Right. Add another raster switch. Yeah, we'll get to it. We'll get to it. I'm just wondering, would we be offending anybody with WIMP? Not in this case, because we're using this program called Charpad that allows you to save the screens as maps and stuff like that, and that's what we're doing. So it's just a case. So we've got 40 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the biggest one is 6. 6, 12, 18, 24. So we got enough. So we need to make sure they are So let's grab those. Select, boys, select. Where's select? That is select, surely. Why is that not selecting? Puppy, yeah, that's that's probably a more PC PC choice. Yeah, let's change that to puppy. Then wimp. Right, so we need to make we need to get them aligned, yeah? We need to get them aligned. So why undo. So is that select? Is this select? No, that's pan. What's this? Brush. How do I select? Is it that? I thought we could select. Hey SP, welcome. We've done your shield, mate. We've done your shield. We've put it in. You'll have to watch the VOD to see how it looks. We did tweak it a little bit, but only a little bit. How do I select on this thing? No. I thought we could select. I thought we could select with this. Oh, no. Yeah, check out the VOD tomorrow, mate. I thought we could select on... Oh, why can't I select? Oh, this is annoying. Because it's not brush. I thought I could select more than one cell. Aha! There we go. There we go. I figured it out now. So puppy was what? Puppy is 5. So we want 8. So that make it. So putting there would make it 6. Oh, we'll put it there. I'll put it there. Easy is 4. So we need to make that 2. Medium is 6. Make that 1. I think the 4s are right. The puppy looks wrong, but it's right. Yeah, Puppy's the awkward one, isn't it? Because it's an odd number. Everything else is even. Yeah, I suppose if it's on the line, it wouldn't show it, because I want to aim to have the shield between these two characters when we're selecting. Yeah, so we'll put that back to Puppy. So the shield would be between these two lines. So the Puppy one, I'm not sure if we should move it over. Oops. I'm not sure, because I think that would be a better alignment between those two characters. So we'd have the shield roughly about here on every one. So I think that's probably the better alignment. Yeah. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 settings. 40 divided by 5 is 8, isn't it? Well, do we need Puppy? Well, FaZe wanted to be able to play it for a long time. Now Puppy starts on really slow mode. Really slow mode. And so, oh, he's still on. Or we could just call it. FaZe speed. We could have a difficulty level called FaZe. Oh, you fancy baby? All right, let's change it to baby then. Let's change it to baby. Makes it a bit even. There we go. Right, so we're going to put them down here somewhere. We're going to put them down here. And we need space underneath it. So a sprite is 3 characters tall. So if we put the sprite there, well, we'll be fine. We've got plenty of space. So we could put it on that line there. Well, in fact, if that's the case, mate, I'm going to do this. Pup, not Puppy, Pup. 4 characters, and it'll be even, so Pup. Do you think insane, or should we just say, oh my god? Right, so 8 characters. So we got 8 characters, which is from there to there. 8 characters, right. So we'll do a copy, and we'll start there. Paste. So that's where Pup goes. Then we're going to do that. Copy. 1, 2, put it there. Paste. Then medium. Copy. 1, 2 goes there. Paste. And hard. Copy. It's just 1 goes there. Paste. And then insane. Copy.
Oi, John, pay attention to chat.
Okay. What address you have your screen on? It's we've got it at 0400. But we can move it to another area if we need to. It's only just for the startup screen. It's only just for the startup screen. Okay, evil then. Okay, we'll do evil. Let me put evil in then. Right, so space there. E V I L. And that's not an L, that is. There we go. So we should be able to get the, we'll aim for the shield to be there, yeah? And there, and there, and there, and there. I've just thought, the shield is the other way round, isn't it? The shield is the other way round. Yes, that's probably the better place. That is probably the better place. Yeah, the shield's got to be above. Right. Let's do this. Right, let's do what we did before. Or use the bone. Well, we can try it. We'll do it for the shield, and then we can tweak it for the bone if we don't like the shield, right? So let's do that. Right. Let's put this. Let's scroll this up. Let's scroll this up. And do that. And so we are now 1. Nice. Right. Save that. Export. Right, let's load that in. So we'll just create another area called difficulty choice, and it's NR what did I call? Oh, difficulty choice. Map 40 by 1. There we go. Let's go back to the screen. No, not that side, this side here. So we display the, let's go to the bottom, that's where everything else is. There we go. Right, so we'll grab that. Oh, I could put it in there, couldn't I? I could put it in there. Let's do that. Because it's all going to happen on the same screen anyway. So this is showing right, so let's grab our code. So that. Don't need that, or that, or that. Don't need that. Right, so we are going to put it on row 21. Right then, let's add it and see how it looks. Oh, don't need to. We added it to that, didn't we? Right, let's see how it looks. I'm just wondering now if we need to move up the title a little bit. We'll tweak it. We'll tweak it. Right, let's get the shield on. let's get the shield on. Right, so we are going to be in here. So let's put we'll do it in Logic, because it's all going to be part and parcel of this, isn't it? It's all going to be part and parcel of that. So have I got a difficulty value? Have I got a difficulty value? No. Okay. Right. So we need to, we do that, print the screen. Right, so we need to enable the sprite. So load that. We'll use the very last sprite. So sprite 7, we'll turn sprite 7 on. We need to, it's a multicolour sprite, so we need to activate that. So MC is it that one? Yeah, that's the one. Right, I'm just wondering if we've gone through the setting up the sprites or not. Init game, initialize game, where is it? Initialize the Vic. So we set the background colours. Clear the screen. No, we don't. No, we don't. Okay, so here, this is where we set it up. So I'm setting up the sprites after the fact. After the fact. That's alright. So we'll set up the sprite multicolour. Logic. We'll set up the sprites multicolour. We will load so we are looking at character 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8, 16, 24, 32. 32 plus 20, I think it's 24, isn't it? I think it's 24. Oh, sprites. Where's that guy's sprites page? Anybody know what the border width is? Is it 24, 28? I'm trying to find that page again. Yeah. Let's just do that. We did 32. So we added 32. I'm sure this fella did. Oh, never mind. Yeah, 24, isn't it? Yeah. So,
hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Who's just followed? Oh, we're getting a few new bods here, aren't we? Say hello, whoever's just followed. Say hello. Welcome. Oh, that's a name I'm not going to be able to say. Welcome. Right. Okay. So that's our starting point, and that's our frame. So we're going to store that into SPX SP0X plus. Oh. Sprite 7, so that's going to be 14, isn't it? 0, 12. Sprite X is 0, X plus 2 is 1, X plus 4 is 2, X plus 6 is 3, plus 8 is 4, plus 10 is 5, plus 12 is 6, plus 14. Yeah, it's 14. And then we will just pick a number at random and we'll store that in SPY plus 14. So we've enabled it, we've set it up. Now we need to set the base. Set the base. So we'll set the base. Is it plus 12? 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you sure it's Sprite 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? We've got 7 sprites. We've got 8 sprites. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Okay. got me going. Really? Right, we're going to set the animation base, and we'll also set sprite 0 plus 7. Right, let's see if the sprite turns up. Let's see if we've got it in the right place. We're nowhere near it. Nowhere near it. And also it's the wrong colour. Right. Utils, let's get the colour as well. Let's put that there. Right, there we go. Now it's too far over, isn't it? It's too far over. Oh, because... Oh, it is. It's in the right place. It's in the right place. That's the edge of it. And it's too far down, and we are... 10 pixels too far over? So let's try 22. We will go 190. See if that does it. Oh, one more. Nice. And we just need to make it go down a bit. Right. So all we need to do now is we need to get it to animate. We need to get it to animate. So we're going to have to... We'll put in a raster check. For this, we're going to put a raster check in. So let's grab... where's the gameplay code? Down here. Here we go. Let's grab the very last raster. It should be around here somewhere. Oh, it's there. We'll grab that anyway. We'll grab that. Right, we'll grab a raster check. So we'll put that in there. And we're going to say... there. So... put that there. So we're going to loop, wait for the raster, and then we're going to do stuff. So we can still use the thingy. Yeah. Storage dot Nico frame counter. And so 64 divided by 8. Yeah, thought it was. I'm just looking at the Animate Nico. Oh, we're using the frame counter, aren't we? So we're using the frame counter and then we're doing the animation. Right, so we'll do the same thing. We'll do the same thing as well. Yeah, I'm going to animate the shield, make it rock. So we're going to initialize the frame counter as well. There we go. So we're going to initialize the frame counter. We will ink frame counter, load it, and then if we'll do that. Right, let's get Nico's. Let's get the. This is the animation. Whoops. Right, this is the animation. So we'll put that here. And then we'll go to animating the... That's move, isn't it? Move power up. Move power up. Move power up. I thought it was in here, and I think it is. Detect power up, decrease power up. Oh, what? Where did I put the move power up? Aha! Here. And we will grab that. Then we'll check our thing. If not, it goes back to Looper. Right, we should have an animated sprite. Or maybe not. Okay, what have I done wrong? We're initializing the frame counter. Oh, it's that, isn't it? That needs to be this. Right. Well, what is going on here? They shouldn't be. They shouldn't be. I mean, it's not doing it now, but the sprites, I don't think it's going through the sprite logic. Let's see if it's going through it. Oh, John. Well, we got it there. We got it there. So it's just a case now of testing the keys, and I think we should leave it there and continue this on Wednesday, because it's 11:30 now. It's 11:30 now, and I think we'll continue this on Wednesday, yeah. So we've now got we've got the sprite in the right place. We just need to work out the interval. So when we do the greater than, less than to skip, so we can work out the maths to do that, and then that will set, once they've picked and pressed enter, that will set the difficulty for the game to start, and we'll do that in the next stream on Wednesday. Should be 64 to each. Yeah, that's what I was hoping for. Something easy to work out. Something easy. Right then, guys, we've done a lot today. Thank you very much for joining me. Thank you guys for the new boys that have come to join the party. And I will see you on Wednesday. It is Monday today, isn't it? Yeah, I'll see you on Wednesday. Take care. Bye. Oh, it's not. Oh, it's Wednesday today, isn't it? I'll see you next week. I'll see you on Monday. Lost the plot. Yeah, it's Wednesday today. Alright then, guys. Thank you very much. I'll see you next week. Take care. Bye. I'd like to thank all the patrons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.